Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I would like to share with you a very interesting and simple topics: how to upload and display images at uh, report level without saving into the database. It is very helpful when we need to work with multiple tables in a single form. Then it will increase the productivity. So let us start the practical session. First, create a region to display the uploaded image, and then a process on the pre-rendering section before header to create a collection. Which collection store the image at runtime and display the uploaded image. And it is very important to say that I use no API and no reference of page items. By default, we use apex util.getBelow files source API to display the image and refer an page item to display. But in this tutorial, I use no API, no item reference, just use core JavaScript and a simple Ajax to implement this. Here is the simple query from the collection to display the image. Query to display the image here. Now create an Ajax callback function for storing the image at the runtime into the collection. Using that collection, you can also save it into the database table. I have shown it earlier how to store data from the collection. That's why in this tutorial it's not my concern. Only shows how to display the image into the grid row at runtime without saving, and displaying image without any API call and no item reference. Here is the two parameter, one for text column and another for image column, and another for below item. Now create a button to upload the image and display it. Create a button. changes some properties or look and feel. Now we create a JavaScript function in the buttons dynamic action. Add action here. This is the main task of this topics. Display image. First, capture the source of the uploaded image from the item. First, checking if the input file is not null. Then read the file. When the image loaded, then capture the source and store into a variable. Now call the JavaScript, Ajax callback function. Here is the callback file. Copy the callback function name. In a Ajax callback function, there are three main parameters. One is the callback function name, and then the options. Here you need to pass the parameter value of Ajax callback function, and third option, the success function. Here I have used two parameters on that callback function. That's why I am passing the parameter value. And the third option is success. There are many parameters, but these three are the mandatory. If there is no parameter, then no need to second parameter also. Handle the exception of that script. If anything wrong, then the cursor goes to the exception. Now we need to add the static ID of that region. The region means that report region, and create a item. Which we have used in the JavaScript functions name and static ID of the interactive grid report. Cut the this function I am going to declare in the page label function and global variable declaration part, and refer it to the button only. Yes, first I have created into the button dynamic action. Now it transfer it to the page label JavaScript functions and global variable declaration part. Sorry, I have made a mistake earlier. For select type data, here is the correction. You need to pass select type data for image. Sorry, it is repetitive, repeating again. There is some formatting of that page looks. Let's check. Let's check. Change some look and feel of that page. Is uploaded. Upload again another. Yes, it's also uploaded and displayed. Now I'm going to clearing those items after uploading the images. Add another action. Select these two items after refresh the region. But default the file type item is not cleared. Only text item will cleared, but change the action clear to JavaScript function, and using that JavaScript function try to setting the null value. Not cleared yet. That means JavaScript function also not, this function also not working. Try to add another action to refresh the items. Not cleared yet. That means refresh button, refresh action is also not working. Here the another alternative way to clear the file type item. Yes, now working. That's it. If you found helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.